Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our last gift guide for 2022. Can you believe we are so close to Christmas? I feel like everybody has at least one person that they may have forgotten about or maybe should get a gift for. So I wanted to share some very last minute gifts that you can get literally day of on Christmas to make sure that you have everyone on your list taken care of and well loved. So lots of ideas. Let's go ahead and dive right on in. So if you want them to get something physical eventually, you can get them a subscription box. There are so many different subscription boxes out there. I'll actually leave a few of my favorite unboxing channels down below for you too. So you can go ahead and check out their channel to find even more ideas. But some of my favorites are Kinder Beauty. I love Kinder Beauty, as you've definitely seen. Wantable is another one that's super nice to gift. And FabFitFun, that is a great subscription to gift as well. You can also go ahead and get more of a meal kit subscription if that's more their speed. I really liked Hungry Root when we had that. I think that is a fantastic gift to give because it makes somebody's life so much easier. There are so many different options. I will leave my codes down below as well for you. You can also get them a gift of lottery tickets or scratchers. I actually made my boyfriend a scratcher hat last year for Christmas and he loved it. It was so much fun. All you do is get a party hat or a Christmas tree from a dollar store, or you can just roll up a piece of paper in the shape of a tree and just tape a bunch of different scratch cards onto it. It's so much fun to do with the family, and I feel like it is a really great gift to give. You can also get them different bundles and make different gift baskets for them. You can go to Trader Joe's. That's my go-to spot for anything like this. You can pick up a bunch of different cheeses, some fun crackers, different jams, and make them a little charcuterie gift. You can get them wine baskets. If they're into beer, Trader Joe's has a ton of different fantastic imported beers from around the world, and they're super inexpensive, and I feel like that makes a really good and meaningful gift for somebody. If you want to get them more of a kit, you can get everything that you need to make pizza or to make a fun pasta dish or even some sushi, anything like that that they really love to cook. I feel like that would be so fun to go get a little basket, fill it up with all the ingredients, and hand it on over to them. Some other more bundles that you could do that aren't necessarily food related, you could go to Home Depot and get different plants in little pots for someone to make a little at-home garden. You could get different herbs if they're into cooking and want a more of an herb garden. You could also do a really cute building snowman kit. Go ahead and just pick up a scarf, a hat, carrots, buttons, rocks, whatever you think would be some fun accessories to add to your snowman. Put it in a little gift basket, and then if you live in the snow, which I don't, you can make some fun snowmen with your family, or the recipient can do that with theirs. If they are a crafter, you could make them a cute little craft basket with some fancy paints, new set of brushes, maybe a canvas, something like that, so that they have all of the tools that they need to do a little craft night. I feel like that is just such a good gift. As a crafter, I can never have enough craft supplies. I go through them like crazy, so I love getting stuff like this. There are also a bunch of different DIYs that you can do. I will actually share my last DIY gift video up in the cards for you. There are lots of ideas in there for you too. I this year decided to make a movie night gift box for my boyfriend and I. We did a little holiday movie night and it was so much fun and so easy to do. All I did was take a traditional gift box, cut open little slots for the drinks that we were having, and I went to Dollar Tree and just got all of the ingredients from the favorite movie box candies that we really like, some fun movie butter popcorn, and I actually got those little plastic popcorn containers from there as well. And then I just cut everything out, popped those in, and then we had our little movie night and it was so cute. I also made a gift of movie idea popcorn bin, and this was so cute. I can't remember where I actually saw one. I'll leave it linked below if I can find it for you. But I basically made a super long list of all of the movies that we want to watch together. Some were holidays, some were more classic, and I just cut them out on little slips of computer paper, wrote everything down, and then I took a yellow marker and kind of crumpled up the paper and did some butter doodles on there. And then I just put that inside of a paper popcorn bag so that when we want to take a new movie night, we can just reach in, pick out something random, and that is our movie for the evening. I love this, and it will definitely become a new tradition for us. The last category that I wanted to share are more experiences. There are tons of ways that you can give the gift of time or memories to a person, and there are so many great options. The best places that I've found to look for more experience-related gifts are Groupon and Living Social. I definitely feel like that is where I find the best deals, but there are lots of different options. I wanted to kind of share some of my favorite experiences to gift in case you are struggling a bit to come up with some ideas. So let's go ahead and dive into those. If someone that you know could use a little bit of pampering, the gift of a massage or a mani-pedi or a facial is a really, really nice gift. If that's not something that they really want to do, you could give them more of acupuncture or cupping. That is definitely a gift that I know so many people in my life would love to get. You could also give different classes. You could find a fun art class or a cooking class in your area. If you have a Sur La Table near you, you can find a ton of different cooking classes that they offer. You could also go for more of a workout class. You could get a workout that they really love from their yoga or Pilates studio, or you could get something a little bit more adventurous. You could do goat yoga class. That looks so fun. Or they even have them with puppies. That would be such a fun and cute little experience. Or you could get something that is more outside of their comfort zone. If they haven't tried CrossFit, you could do something like that. Or you could get something that's super, super fun and get more of a dance class for them. If they want to take like salsa lessons with their partner, I feel like that would be so much fun to do. That is a great gift as well. You could also get them a class or a course in race driving. That would be such a fun gift to get. If they are a car person, you could also just get them a day of driving around in that car. I feel like that is so much fun and would be such a cool gift for somebody who's really, really into supercars that are way out of the price range. I feel like that would be such a good gift to get. You can also do more of a ticket for a sporting event or a really cool show that's coming to your area. You could also get them a food related tour. So you could get a food tour of your city or a city that's close by. You could go wine tasting or cheese tasting. One of my friends a few years ago went olive oil tasting, which I would love to do. I feel like that would just be so much fun. If you have an adventurer on your list, you could give them a skydiving experience, even indoor skydiving. I got that when I was a kid and I had so much fun going indoor skydiving, so I feel like that would be really fun to do. You could go go-karting, you could do rock climbing, or you could get them a gift of a camping experience and give them a gift card to a specific campground, or you can get a national park pass. This is something that some of my friends have, and I feel like it's such a good gift. It gives you access to every single national park in the country, which is so cool for people who love national parks. I think this is absolutely amazing to give. Something that I actually got with my best friend for my birthday is the gift of permanent bracelets. So we have our permanent bracelets on here. They basically have a soldering machine that solders it. So there isn't a clasp to take this on and off. It is just stuck on me, which is really cool. It's a permanent friendship bracelet that I have with my best friend. So it's super, super meaningful, and I absolutely love this idea. Or if somebody would be open to it, you could give them the gift of getting a tattoo together. That would be super fun. Or if they have a tattoo in mind that they'd love to give for themselves, you could give them the gift of that tattoo too. You could also give more of the gift of service. So a few years ago, decided that I would detail my boyfriend's car for him. So that would be super nice. You can also give the gift of babysitting if your recipient has kids. I feel like just the gift of a night out would be really, really nice for a lot of parents. So that would be a good one. Even pet sitting for someone, that's something that I would love. You could also give them a mini vacation or a staycation. Even just one night in a hotel could be a really, really nice gift. I love Hotwire. I cannot recommend Hotwire enough for this. I feel like there are so many great options on there. That's how I book every hotel every time I travel. It saves you so much money, so much money. So definitely check them out if you're looking for something like that. The last thing that I wanted to share that I think is an absolutely amazing gift to give is the gift of a charity donation in the person's name. If there is a local charity that's important to that person, you could also give the gift of service on that front and volunteer with them, schedule some time for the two of you to go volunteer together. That's something that would be super, super meaningful and is an experience that keeps on giving. Well, that was everything. I hope that you found something on this list that will help take care of the people on your list that you need to get those last minute gifts for, or just give you some new ideas of ways to give things that aren't material. I had so much fun thinking of these. I feel like these are some of the best gifts to give and receive, and they mean so much to the person that gets them. So if you give any of these, I really hope that the person loves them. I have a really good feeling that they will. If you have a really great last minute gift idea, definitely leave that in the comments below. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really, really appreciate you being here. And I hope you stick around and subscribe so I see you in the next one. If you do, I will see you then. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Merry Christmas. Bye.